I were you, I'm sure going to be paying absolute attention to everything we will be talking about. Once again, welcome to P1 Business Opportunity Expo, and my name is Taiwo Abdi-Badwadi. I am sure going to be stepping aside for a few minutes while I hand over this podium to our guest speaker in the person of Mrs. Antonia Chinelo. Please put your hands together. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome.
Your head.
Sorry. Good morning, everybody. Happy New Moon to everybody. Today is 1st of September. We thank God Almighty for making it possible to see a new month, a new beginning in our lives. Guys, and Lord is to call it. So I welcome all of you. I usher all of you into a wonderful month of fulfillment, month of upliftment, and so many things, because even today, early in the morning, around 12 midnight, I woke up and I entered into our business group. I saw a wonderful promo. I will start from today, posted by our GMD, the double referral bonus on even each classic package. The promo that just ended last month was do 5 classic videos, then you have double referral bonus on them. But this morning I saw that if you recruit even 1 classic package, instead of earning 7 to earn 14 for. It will not be 5 again for you to earn it. Even 1, you earn 14 for instead of 7 to. So that's a wonderful one. And I said that September is a month to remember, honestly. So I welcome all of you. Let me take you people to a wonderful business opportunity. I don't know, I want to know who is here for the first time. For the first time? Wow, that's good. Are you present? Welcome. So you are at the right place, eh? You met us well. Imagine you here, and we are starting a promo, a wonderful promo today. Which means that if you join today, you are going to make too much money through recruitment. And what it means is that you need to talk to people, invite people to a seminar like this. It's someone that invited you, therefore, talk to people and invite them to come for this training. We have trainings here Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday every week. So I myself am always here every Tuesday of every week. So what we have today is a P1 business opportunity. P1 means Property World African Network. It is a real estate company, the first real estate company that introduced network marketing to real estate. That's why I think I have more men here than ladies. The reason is that our product is very, very unique. Real estate. Men say yes to P1 business opportunity because it is real estate. If it's drugs that we are selling, I think when they invite you, when you come, you say you want me to be selling drugs. I'm talking to men. All of you sitting looking at me, yes. Because I've been into network marketing for like 16, going to 17 years. I've marketed so many. I know that supplement and the other one, when you go, you see only women. But P1 Business Opportunity is a network marketing company. You can come, you see men, and they're doing wonderfully well in business because it is real estate, it's property. So it is a business you can be proud to do as a man. Are you getting it? I know that if I hand you over drugs or supplements to carry it along the market, you say me to do this, I can't do that. But I think you'll be so proud to go into real estate. Real estate business is a business that is paying a lot of people out there. You can take care of whatever you're doing. If you're a man and you're marketing a supplement, I know that network marketing is paying, but there are people that will mock you and say, is it this supplement you're saying you're going to use to take care of your family as a man? But I know that with real estate, you can take care of and you can take care of your family, your children, and any type of life you want to live through this business, you live it as a man, even as ladies. Most of women in what we are doing in our families, we are doing wonders in our family because of P1 business opportunity. Things I can be able to do and handle in my family, I don't know as a woman I can do them, but it is the power of real estate business I'm doing. even my colleagues there, my downlines, as we are coming, we are discussing, family issues and things, how this business have helped us, to help our husbands, to take care of so many things, just to release them a lot. We do that, and we do that with happiness and with joy, because we are making a lot of money through the business. So it is a wonderful business opportunity that if you say yes to it, it will change your life as a man or as a woman, honestly. So I'm here, the B1 business opportunity is changing the lives of people. It has changed my own life, it has changed the lives of so many people in this, in the business. It's a business we are doing, we are happy, we have passion doing it, we are happy, we are having fun, we are enjoying it, we are financially free. That when you are spending money and there is hope, not like I told them now, why at the mega shipping, I said tomorrow, I'm expecting commissions tomorrow throughout this week, through this business. Because every week, while expecting their commissions of this week, a lot of transactions, a lot of sales have happened this week that I will expect their last next week. So it is a business that is paying every day. It's earned through this business every day. B1 is paying commissions every day. It is not a monthly or weekly something. If you do it and do it well, you earn every day. It is possible every day. Imagine when you are getting credit alert every day. No matter how little it is, credit alert every day, not even one alert, more than on daily basis. So that's why I said it's a business that is changing the lives of people. I don't have weight before, and I'm not eating much, but I notice that I keep on adding weight. It is the alerts that I receive on daily basis. Yes, but when you are happy, I think honestly, before I joined P1 business, I don't know if it used to happen to you, that when you do, maybe you go to ATM and maybe you do something, maybe any transaction, and you have your debit alert, and you check the thing is dropping, you keep on dropping, and you still have another expenses to take care of. You keep, at times, honestly, you're not a BP person, but at times your BP it will fluctuate, because there is no hope, and you don't have hope of getting alert, credit alert. You don't know, because there is nothing you're doing, or what you are doing is not really paying you. But this is a business you spend, even if you are coming out from the ATM machine, or you are coming out from maybe shopping mall, stepping out, you may get credit alerts that cover your expenses. At times it may not be what expenses what you have made, but it have taken some part of it. At times it will be more than honestly. So why I'm saying this, that if you are here, if someone have invited you for the first time, honestly, thank that person later. At times you will say, my upline should thank me. No. After the presentation, you just follow the presentation. Call that person that invited you and say, thank you so much for introducing me to such wonderful opportunity. So I'm here to take you along. When I joined this business in 2017, because P1 as a company is 8 years old, going to 9 years old. When I joined, I stayed 7 good months before I made my first sales. Because what we are doing is we are selling land, we are recruiting people, because it's a network marketing company. We are going to see the reason why you should recruit people in this business. And because it is because of network marketing that makes it possible for me to earn every day. It wasn't my sales I'm earning every day, but the sales of people I introduced in this business. Indirect commissions I'm getting from the sales. So I'm going to tell you how possible it is for you to earn every day. Through the power of recruitment. It's not only you selling things. If you join this business and say, let me, if I sell, I'm not interested in networking and recruiting people. If I sell, I earn my commission. You end up looking for clients. 1 month gone, no buyer. 2 months gone, just like that, just like me when I joined. It took me 7 good months before I made my first sales. I joined 2017, but I made my first sales February 2018. And look at my life today. But before then, I've recruited a lot of people in the business. I'm a senior partner in the team building then. I've started earning through referral bonus, but I wasn't selling. Even my people have not started selling them. But today, the team I've built in this business, I have the largest team in P1 business.
Wow.
And I'm earning indirect commissions for so many of them, 5%, 3%, 2% on daily basis.
Wow.
She's my downline, direct successor. She's a successful. I know what it took me to get her involved in this business. Took her for seminar. After the seminar, she filled the registration form and left it for me for 1 year. Look at her. Today, she has been selling. Even yesterday, she closed 2+ again. But this is, at times when you see something that will change your life, you see that silent void that will be discouraging you not to go into it. You understand? Not to go into it. Within 1 month, how many plus have she sold this thing? Yeah. Since last year, 2 years. Today said I use my money to register. Oh, yeah, come and do it. Yes. I registered that because I've seen her and I noticed that she will do well in the business, but she's not seeing herself as something she can do. But today, she's selling land as if she's selling granola. So that is the power of someone believing in herself. The first thing you, as a new person here, is that you need to believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it. If I standing in front of you is doing it, why can't you? Do I have 2 heads? I don't have 2 heads, but I so much believe in myself. I never see someone that believes in him or herself than me. I so much believe in myself that I can do it. No matter how hard that thing is. P1 business have been here all this. I have people that are into P1 business, but it's through me all the people around me are know about P1. Because I believe so much that anything that will know, I studied the business, I saw the business, and I said, I told myself, I can do it. And look at me. I became the P1 Group 2020 Star Ambassador. Through recruitment, not through sales. But people will say, so this girl can sell land like this. I'm selling, but I think that what I focus much is recruitment. I became the top recruiter for the company, hence my ambassador and everything. So why I'm saying is that if you don't know who to sell land to, talk to your friends, talk to your relatives, let them join you in the business. You may not sell, but they will sell and you earn through their commission. Indirect commission we are talking about is not small money, but I think it's small money. Depending on the sales, you can earn millions through indirect commissions. Commissions of the land of people you produce while you are looking for people that you sell. So we have so many opportunities, so many streams of income through this business. We have 12 ways of making money through this business. I said 12 ways. So I'm here to show you that P1 business number 1 is a company that has integrity. It is not a scam. But people will ask you, are you sure of the company? I've seen people that have invested in this business up to today. They do not believe in the company. So number 1 is that you as a partner or as a BBO in this company, you are going to believe in the company you are, the brand that you want to market their products. Some of us are still doubting P1. So if you are doubting P1, how will you convince people outside to do the business? You're still doubting if P1 can fail you. P1 cannot fail you. Company that have stayed for 8 years, going to 9 years, waxing strong, entering so many states. Like now, we are in 14 states. 14 states in Nigeria, moving other states gradually. We are taking over the 36 states in Nigeria. So does it, if it's a scam, if it's a company that is not genuine, they spread like that. Even when I mentioned this to somebody told me that MMM entered the whole country. Yes, it is very, very difficult to convince people. Even when I used this, he said, forget that one, madam. Even MMM entered the whole country.
How many years did they last?
That's it. It's not what they ask you. So there's no how you tell them something, they don't know what they will tell you on top of it. But just be bold enough. Because if you understand P1, if you know P1, just like I said, the knowledge is power. Your knowledge about this company determines how fast you excel in this business. So that anything they tell you or anything they ask you, you're able to defend it at any moment through the knowledge you have about the company. If you don't have the knowledge, if they ask you, you will not know what to say at that moment. So I'm here to take you through this slide now, so that you understand the business we are doing, the business that will change your life. So P1 is Property World African Network. I've said it before. We are going to see it on this slide. But the vision of this company is to make ownership a reality for everybody. home ownership. I know that everybody, we are dreaming to have our home, to have a land, or to have any, but the vision of this company is to make home ownership a reality. We are going to see how possible it is for you to become a homeowner through this business, to become a landowner through this business with ease. Because I know that some people will say, do I have money to buy a house? You will see how possible it is. That's why you're here. P1 business owner, as P1 business owner, you're going to, have your home. That is the vision of this company. To make it a reality for you and I, to acquire your land or a house with ease. With ease. By dropping small, you're going to see how possible it is. And the acronym of P1 is acronym for Property World Africa Network. P1 was established in March 2012. P1 is a real estate marketing and information company, and we adopt the network marketing model in real estate marketing. Over her 80 years of existence, P1 has empowered thousands of people and families and given them a source of earning legitimate income. Doing real estate business, thousands have seen their life transformed, can now live a comfortable life, and also help them achieve their dream of owning their home ownership. We are positioned to grow financial gains through the power of real estate network marketing. It is not a magic, but it is real. This business has transformed the lives of people. I have a team member that just made their sales, just a teacher. And throughout the lockdown, teachers suffered a lot because there is no salary, they are not paying them, most of them, because of the pandemic. But I have a teacher I registered in this business that made her sales after 3 months after the lockdown, when the lockdown was elapsed. She made sales of over 12 million. And this teacher I'm talking to, even the day she closed that, I helped her close that to talk to the client. I told her the client promised to pay for the land the next day. When I called her, she was flying from off, she's supplying. When I called the teacher, that's what has been sustaining them throughout the pandemic. She said the puff she give the student, they will go out and supply to people selling for them in order to eat. But I told her to know your friend in Africa, to know if she has paid. She said, Madam, I'm in the kitchen, I'm frying puff because they need to deliver that money. You know that sale, the lady closed that, the lady paid her commission. She used her commission to set up a shop now. She's not a distributor, it's a true shop. It's not even a retailer now, but a distributor of golden penny and all those things. She sells wholesale through this business. Have you seen it? Today she told me that she used some because she was having house accommodation program before, and she told me she used some part of the commission to start using a room in the land the husband acquired years back. Have you seen how the business can change your life? And you don't know when it will happen. You may be doing it, thinking that it's not working. One day, God will surprise you. Just like a lady that sold 130 plots last week. Yes. When I called her, it was on Tuesday, after a week today. I called her. She was crying. So God will embarrass you that way. When I called her to congratulate her, she was crying. People are carrying my car because I put it in a speaker because I was driving. She couldn't talk. She was crying. I said, I can feel you. You need to cry. 130 plots. Even if that's a plot of land is 500,000, it's still millions. But it is not 500,000. Just calculate it. If it's 1 million a plot, it's over 100 million sales. Check her commission. So that is it. I used to tell people, we don't sell land every day, but one that you will say will take care of yourself for months. It will take care of yourself for months. That's why you should know, if you are here, you are at the right place. Don't do this business. The business is changing the lives of people. It is a business that will take you from where you are making someone in life. It's happened. I'm going to show you the slide of all the ambassadors, including myself. I wasn't like this 3 years back when I joined this business. A lot of things have changed in my life. Even my appearance have changed. Does it mean I wasn't using cream I was using previous years? Does it mean I changed? I not changed. It's peace of mind. It's peace of mind. When you know that anything that is coming, you'll be able to take care of it. When you're sleeping, you sleep like a baby. Do you understand? So, it is a good business to do. If you are here for the first time, please don't leave here without calling you, whoever that invited you. How do I sign up? That is the question you ask. I'm going to show you ways of joining so that you know that even if you don't have money, you can still join this business and do it. Then you can upgrade yourself later. The mission of the company is to discover affordable and developing areas and make this known to you, and also show you how to make money to buy land and build your own, or how you can make money to buy your land and build your own home. That is their mission. So the company is not doing us, using us as sales girls or salesmen for them, sales women for them. They also want to teach you how to make money, buy your own land and build your own home. Through this business, I've acquired a lot of property. I don't know I can have such documents in custody. Owning a land, so many properties in my name. My children have acquired because of land. Do you understand? I know how many used to fight over landed property, their documents, how they hide it from the wife. I'm sorry that you're here. I'm not saying because I know how my husband used to package his home. Hide it somewhere. But there's how they value that document, landed property, their documents. Even when a wife lost a husband, the family members will come and be looking for the documents. But I don't think I can fight for that now because I have mine through this business. I have a lot. Plus of lands I've acquired. There are some I got through free plus through sales. I bought some through my commission and so many other things. I don't think I'll fight over property with anybody because I have mine, and that's the same thing I'm wishing all of you here. That if you do this business, you acquire even. Thank God that the company have introduced PBO that is going away through this platform. I think that you can even acquire apartments. You can acquire even duplex through this business, and it is easy. What it only needs is for you to talk to people, introduce people to this business. You use their efforts to get a house for yourself, not even your money. Are you getting it? Yes. You're going to acquire a house or a land through this business without your own money. Just through the efforts of people you introduce, you can acquire your home. You're going to see how possible it is. You use their point values to pay for the land, not even your money. Why dropping just little every month towards your home ownership? So the core values of the company is arise, accountability, responsibility, integrity, service, and excellence. Those are the core values of P1 as a company. The founders of the company and the platform we are using today, Dr. Sinozoma Omuzi and Dr. Mrs. James Obioma Omuzi. P1 Group was founded by this couple in March 2012. At a time they were homeless and simply looking for 300,000 to rent a flat. 2012, they were homeless for 6 good years in Lagos, sleeping in people's houses. I used to tell people, downfall of a man is not the end of his life. And it is not how far, but what? How well? How well? Because people that mocked them years back, today, I don't know how they will see them because God has used this business to bless them. And giving up on that, they are still down to earth. They are humble. They still feel that pain they feel years back. They still, make sure that all of us cannot have such problem. That's why their vision is to make ownership a reality, because they don't want anybody to be homeless again. But they felt it. The wife, the GMD will tell me, Tonya, you will not feel it because you are not homeless, and I never been homeless. You say if they are telling us what they pass through, then we will not don't understand because we are not homeless. Until you are homeless, you will know what they pass through. She tell that they were at the bus stop one day like that. They don't have a place to go. They were sitting at the bus stop and all the buses are, you know how they do it, my two, and people are jumping, people that have home, they are jumping into the bus, going home. They were there till that night, no way to go. But today, I thank God for their life. God have used that experience to bless them and to bless you and I. If not, maybe it's what they passed that God wants to use them, to bless so many people. With they've done, this business and this platform have changed the lives of people for the past 8 years and is still changing the lives of people. It will never come to your own turn and stop. It will continue. Your own will never be different. It will continue. So the only prayer you pray every day is, God, keep this wonderful company for us. Let this company continue to grow from strength to strength. That's how I've been my prayer every morning. That has been let this platform continue to grow from strength to strength, year to year. Let them be waxing stronger, so that we'll walk with the platform for life. Because it will continue to change even the lives of our grandchildren. It will continue to change the lives of even our grandchildren. All my children I've registered them. That's why I say, you don't know, even in future, in years to come, my grandchildren will do this. That has been my prayer. And it will come to pass, it will happen in Jesus' name. So they were looking for 300,000 to rent the grant. Out of this wilderness experience, everyone was bettered. And that is what drives the vision of making home ownership dream a reality for as many people as possible. This homeless couple, who were at the time squatting from place to place, ended up building a branch, which has in turn created several landlords and millionaires in the real estate industry. Millionaires, a daily alert at times is more than $1 million, which means every day they make people millionaires. So, the branch started as P1 Homes with expansion in mind. In 2015, P1 Homes gave birth to a new company named P1 Edge. This emerged as the first affiliate under the branch. From 2016 into 2019, other affiliates were better. This became the beginning of what P1 Group. From the history, they started as P1 Homes. P1 Homes. That P1 Homes today is one of the affiliate companies under the group. Today, the P1, that's why you see P1 Group. It's not a group of companies, and they have 16 affiliate companies under them. 16. If you are new, don't be confused, because you are going to see some of our flyers. You see the one bearing P1 Plus, P1 Prime, P1 Legend, P1 Legend, P1 Star, P1 Legend. All the affiliates are under one group, P1 Group. Today we have more than 16 affiliates operating under the umbrella of the P1 Group. Meet all the affiliate companies in the group. We have P1 Edge. P1 Homes is our mother affiliate, but they started as P1 Homes. So the first one is P1 Homes, P1 Edge, P1 Plus, P1 Heritage, P1 Heaven, P1 Legend, P1 Stars, P1 Lekki. If you go through our website, www.p1group.com, you click on the companies, you will see all the companies, all the affiliate companies under the group. And each company that you click on, you are going to see all their estates, all their products, what they have. It's online, everything, all the flyers is online. So the P1 Group, just like I said initially, that it is the first real estate network marketing company in the whole world, not only in Nigeria, in the whole world. They are the first to introduce network marketing. They are not the first real estate in the whole world, but they are the first that introduce network marketing into real estate. What it means is that all the network marketing companies be hearing about, the Longbridge and other ones, GNLT, is the same thing, but what is different is our products. Our product is in real estate. We are selling land. So that is our product, but it's still network marketing. It will still be the same thing. And we know that all the network marketing companies are all paid. But you know that there is money in property. There is money in property. property, even without network marketing. All the agents out there that are making a lot of money through real estate. Imagine when you introduce network marketing to it, you make serious money, more than other companies. Are you getting it? So that's why that if you really pay attention to this and you work with this, it will change your life. To make home ownership dream a reality, we introduce network marketing into real estate because of its multi-level compensation system. As the first ever company to incorporate network marketing into real estate globally, that is the whole world, we empower people to make an honest living through real estate marketing and also show them how they can acquire affordable properties at zero cost, as well as show them how they can make money and buy their own homes. This we have done consistently for 8 years. The P1 Group presently operates in 13 states of Nigeria: Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Edo, Delta, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Rivers, Abia, Akwa Ibom, Abuja, Cross River, and we have estates in all these estates. We are in Bayelsa, we are in the Abia State, Aba, Seguyo, Akwa Ibom, yes, and the Calabar. We have estates there.
Abuja.
We have in Abuja. So we market property using the network marketing system, aka MLM, multi-level marketing, not MLM. Multi-level marketing, MLM. So you can see our business plan. This is you, the person standing at the center. You that you are here for the first time, this is you. So when you sign up, this is you. You sign up, nobody, you're not, unless, do we have anybody that is here for the first time and you're with your friend? Do I have anybody? Yeah. You are here for the first time and you came with a friend, someone that you want to introduce the business. You, that is a good one. Who is your prospect? Correct. That is how it's supposed to be. If someone introduces you to a opportunity, call your friends. Can we go and see it together? Are you getting it? After the presentation, you can sign up. They sign up under you. So that day you started a good business. You have started a good point. So this is you for the first time. When you join, this is you. You are to bring 5 people under you. That is 5 pillars. The matrix is 5. You are not going to have the 6th pillar. You have only 5 pillars. That is maybe you have 5 people. You get the 6th person to fall as a spillover under any of the 5. So that's why I said you are to bring 5 people. And when you bring your 5 people, work with them to get their 5-5-5. That is how the system is working. Are you getting it? So it's 5 by 5, everything 5. So if you have people, just tell them target your 5. If everybody should target their 5, everybody will be at the top. Honestly. Just focus on bringing your 5 classic video. So this is the business plan. And we introduce network marketing into real estate. Okay, because of it's not okay. P1 Group is the leading network marketing real estate firm in the world. We are the leading real estate firm in the whole world. We lead, God has followed us behind. That is it. The way P1 is growing today, other real estate companies, in fact, they are just like an affiliate company under the group. You know them. I know them. But I used to tell them that all like one of affiliate company under the group. So it's just that way because there is no state or city you enter, you are not going to see an office by P1 or an estate by P1. One day you travel to your village and see our estate and our people there in your own town.
It's already at the neighbor.
Yes, just like that.
It's already at home.
It's even in Obosi. If you are from Obosi, we have estate there. Asaba too. So
mainly in Asaba.
And so that is where we are going. We are the leading network marketing real estate firm in the whole world. And we have empowered a lot of entrepreneurs and network marketers in the field of real estate throughout Nigeria and beyond. We are also focused on being a leader in the area of corporate social responsibility by extending helping hands to our immediate community and beyond. We have made thousands of people homeowners through our highly flexible business model. We now have estates and operate in 13 states in Nigeria. We have sold and allocated many of our estates, while others are at various stages of development. We have commenced buildings in some of our estates. We have started a program to enable our members own their own home using a flexible payment plan and also earn income and various incentives in the process. We have taken many of our deserving members on several expense-paid trips abroad. We have given brand new cars to deserving. The company have done this for the past 8 years. I joined 3 years ago. The company is 8 years ago. Some people, my friends and my family members have seen what I've achieved through this business. Most of them were like, maybe I started when the company started. No. I'm just 3 years old in the business and I've achieved a lot. The trip I've been traveling all these places. Before 1 year, I've started traveling to the company, all these places. I've been in London, I've been in Dubai. You're going to see the pictures. The last one we came last year with Jewel of the Sea. The ship cruise and the Jewel of the Sea. All is being paid by the company. 7 nights inside the ship. You see, just go and explore the world. A lifetime experience through this business. It's after paying your commission and everything, you still use your total sales to enjoy all the free trips. You have earned your commissions and then you still use them to travel, just total sales. The brand new car I was driving today was given to me through the company. I don't know I can drive a brand new car. I'm the one that removed the nylon. It's on Tokumbo and Tokumbo. And even upon that Tokumbo, the way we carry it like egg. But see what the business have done in my life. My family we are so happy because of P1 business opportunity. So what I'm telling you that any life you want to live in this business, you can live it once you work hard. There is no magic achievement. It's all about hard work, choice and persistence. That is what Michelle Obama said. Because some people will say, you know, if you want to make it really, you must leave your comfort zone. Just like you and I are here to hear. You know that Big Brother Nigeria is going on. Why not stay at home and watch that program? Or look at you here. You enter because you're here. Because you know what you want. Because you want your life to be changed. So for the fact that you're here for the first time, or you're even coming, coming here to learn and know how you make it in this business. Honestly, the business will transform your life. The business will change your life. Because I've seen it for the past 8 years. They said consistently, doing it consistent for the past 8 years. Every month, people are smiling home with a lot of gifts. Every month, even car award. Top of every month, company is doing award. Their success summit, top of every month. Every top of every month, you see the company giving out cars to people that qualify or that want the car. We have a promo that is going on even on marketing car. Join today and build your team. The first 12 people that will emerge as senior managers in the team builder, I'm going to show you what it takes to be there. The company will give them a marketing car they will use. Just through recruitment, not through sales. You can get cash through sales. When you do a mega sales for the company, you get your car. A marketing car. So the company is doing ambassador promo every year. Every year, company produces a new ambassador and they give out a brand new car to the ambassador. Every year, they started this 2015. So this is the first P1 group ambassador, Ambassador Jerome, with a brand new car, 2015. This is Tosi Adewale, the 2016 ambassador. That's the husband. Today, they are the managing directors of our state company, the P1 Stars. P1 Stars. They started this business the way we started. They just registered. Most of the directors, most of the MDs of this affiliate company, they registered, some registered with 1,650. From that, the company has changed their life. Today, they are the managing directors. So this is just available with the husband, the P1 Stars. This is Mr. Emmanuel Ogwefi, 2016 ambassador. He registered as a consultant when he joined with 1,000. He doesn't have money to start the business. And he registered with 1,650 and later upgraded like himself to partner. look at his life. 2016 ambassador, his brand new car. Today he is what? I know most of you know him. The managing director of P1 Heritage today. Mr. Emmanuel Ogo. If you see him today, you will not recognize him. This is superstar ambassador Ebere Igwenago, 2017 ambassador. Her brand new car 2017. Last year she collected Venza through this business again. She has 2 cars through this business. She made a mega sales last year that gave her a Venza. And we have the 2017 ambassador. Are you counting it? We have more than so many of them. A company that gave us how many brand new cars in a year? I don't know if you are counting it with me. We started with 2016. Okay, this is 2017 Ebere Igwenago. This is 2017 again, Mrs. Vera Oberabo. Today, she is the executive director of P1 Premier with the husband, the managing director. They are the managing director of P1 Premier today. This is the Swiss season, 2017 again. How many brand new cars? 2017. Today, he is the managing director of the new athletes launched during the lockdown, the P1 Bazaar. He is the managing director. And we have Chinedu Sidini, 2017 ambassador. So a brand new car again. How many? More than 4. Then we have another 2017. How many brand new cars? Are you not clapping for the company? This is Viyora. Today he's the managing director of P1 Heritage. They all registered the way we registered. Look at their life today. And we have 2018 superstar ambassador Krista Asta. And we have 2018. We have Ngeke in there. And you can see the khaki bears P1 Plus. It's an athlete ambassador. It's an athlete company, P1 Plus ambassador. So it can be you. I said that we have 16 athlete companies, and all the athlete companies do their ambassador program. So if you have all it takes to be there, all of us have what it takes to be there. We are all equal before God, so you can do it. If they are doing it, why can't you? What it takes is not, open your mouth to talk to people, show the people the opportunity. Tell people, be proud to tell people that you're in the P1 business real estate company, that you work with them. So this is my humble self, 2020-2021 ambassador, Antonia Chinelo Bodo. This is my car. Hyundai Creta 2020 model. The car was given me on the 12th of March. See my life. I've not done anything. Apart from talking to people, I've not done anything. If it's to use money to be here at this level, I can't be there. Because I don't have the money to, if it's what money can buy. I've not added anything to the business. It's just my registration money. And I renew annually, nothing. I'm not the one buying the estates. I've not added any capital to what I'm doing. But look at my life today. Even before my ambassador, the business has changed my life in so many ways. In so many ways. I've been traveling all expensive abroad. I'm earning commissions every day. Every day. I used to tell people, even before, if we are really doing well in this business, even before you qualify all expenses paid through abroad, you can take care of your trip through your commissions. Yes, but it's good that you travel all expenses paid through by the company. So, this is the trips the company has done. This is 2013. I said I joined 2017. So you can see the people that made it to South Africa 2013, 2017 in Dubai. I joined in July. They made this trip before I joined. And in 2019, I made it to this trip. But before this, I was in London 2018 through the business. We went for property exhibition show at the Dockland. Company package of visa and everything. I got my UK visa through this business. And everything. The interview, even during the interview, we are many. The embassy have known the company. It's a company that has integrity. They've been taking people all expense paid to across. So denying them visa, I don't think they don't have that mind to deny them visa. When I got for my interview for UK visa, I know so many people. The day we came to pick our visa, you don't know if they issued the visa or not. Some people are crying, the people they denied. And I walked, boldly, I picked my phone and I opened it and I noticed that they stamped my UK visa. And all my people, when I called most of them, I said I got mine. Everybody I said I got mine, all of us got the visa and we made it to UK for the property exhibition show. The company paid everything. We are going to see the picture. This is 2019. And 2019, we made 2 trips. 2019 to Dubai. This is the first one, early 2019. During the Dubai face-off, Bayusha Jogo, Choma Chukoka, you can see the Hollywood actors and actresses with us. We made the trip together with them and we had much fun in Dubai. Still us in Dubai. This is our trip to London 2018. This is me in the picture. The suit you are looking at, see us like they was given to us by company. We did not pay anything. Like 3 different attires given to us by company. They just took our measurements and looked at us in London 2018. Sorry. So this is GoPro Recruiting Mastery Event, Las Vegas. What takes you to all this trip? 5 million sales in a year qualifies you for all expense paid for a company's partners retreating in Ghana. 15 million sales in a year qualifies you for all expense paid to either London or Dubai. In a year.
15 million sales.
15 million sales in a year.
Only?
Yes, only. And if you join today and sell it tomorrow, you qualify. The company will not say that you are just joining today. Are you getting it? If you join and make the sales, you qualify to all expense paid. Like this is Africa Ghana. Last year, 2019 partnership, the Ankara we are wearing was given to us by the company free. So you can see we are up to 100 and something people that made it to Ghana. This is Golden Trip Accra. All expense paid. We can use ABC bus to go to Ghana, but company paid for our flights to and fro, and all the feeding, everything, taking care of the company. So 5 million sales is what we take you to this. Then we have, the GoPro Mastery event, Las Vegas, is 30 million sales that qualifies to travel to Las Vegas for GoPro Mastery event. Las Vegas, US, 30 million sales will qualify for that. It is a Requirements program. If you're a networker, you know, you go to YouTube, you see it. It's a big event by the Requirements. So 30 million sales qualifies for that. Company will take care of the visa and everything. The performance bonus. This is the performance bonus. Company pays performance bonus annually, 12th of every month. Company brings us some fraction from their profits annually, and they will share it among the people. Once you qualified for the Eagle Summit, that is 15 million sales. Once you qualify for Eagle Summit, maybe Dubai or London, you qualify to earn this performance bonus. But you must be a assistant manager in the team building. I'm going to show you, because that is, you must have recruited 5 people under you, and your sales is up to 15 million. And you must sell from at least 3 affiliate companies. We are 16. Are you getting it? You have to sell for 3 for you to earn this. So if you not sell for the 3, maybe you made your 15 million sales for 1 affiliate. You can use you can still earn it, but you can use it and the company will invest it for you in the company. You go for a land with that money. So you are going to still earn, but you can catch it out when you sold for the 3 affiliates from the group. So a lot of people used to sign up every 12th of every March. You can see the cash list. This is 2.something million by Funke K11. Our performance bonus 2018. You can see me and most of people. Last year, this year, March 12th, we are up to 60 people that shared from this performance bonus.
That's after your bonus.
No, after everything, this is just outside your commissions and everything. Once your sales is up to 15 million and above, you are going to earn your performance bonus. So evolution of the P1 business model. When the P1 brand started in 2012, many people got empowered through the system, who were referred to as independent business development executives, generally known as consultants and partners. Today, because we are selling a timeless product that we believe will stay with you for generations, for our generations, even our great-grandchildren, and keep us together, and also help you bring the desire of becoming a homeowner to reality. IBD is generally referred to as consultants and partners. We now be known as PBOs, P1 business owners. So if you are joining this business, you are answering a PBO, that is a P1 business owner. Today, we are all PBOs, P1 business owner. There is nothing like partners and consultants again. We are all P1 business owners. And this is about P1 Owners Program. This program was launched May 1st. That's why I said if you are here for the first time, you met us with we are just at the building stage now. The program is just 3 years old, 3 months old. So you met us well in this wonderful program, P1 Business Owners Program. What is P1 Business Owner Program? As a pioneer in the real estate industry and following our vision of making home ownership dream a reality, P1 Group designed this program for our members to begin their journey towards owning their own property by subscribing to a house or a land in any of the P1 companies and enjoy the benefit of paying for it over a period of time for up to 5 years. Are you getting it? A PBO is someone when you register, you subscribe for either a land or a house, and you start paying it small for the maximum year of 5 years or even more. You pay small towards that. P1 Business Owner Program is a program designed for you to become a proud owner of a land or a house, ranging from 1.5 million to as high as 60 million. That is duplex or other, depending on your capability. Depending on your capability. My own capability may not be the same with your own. Yeah. But if you really work hard, you will have equal capability to achieve this. Are you getting it? So that capability means your own capability of achieving this through the points values I'm going to show you. The program gives you the liberty to choose the best payment plan suitable for your budget and the work it takes. It also gives you the liberty to choose the location you would want your house or land to be. P1 has estates in various locations in Nigeria, and you can choose from any of these locations. Interestingly, if you do not want any of the locations that the company has, you can choose where you have a land, and the company will come there and build for you. Nice. Look at it. We have varieties. I said, you'll be surprised to travel to your village and see our estate in your own village. It is possible, the way P1 is going, because we are entering a constant now. So why I'm saying this is that the company says if you don't like any of their location, you can show them a land, even in your own village. Maybe the portion of land you inherited from your parents, your father. You can show the company will come there and build a house for you. Through this program, I'm going to show you how you get your money, through how you will make it possible for you through the point values. A P1 business owner or a PBO is a member of P1 Group that starts his or her P1 business by force to doing what? Subscribing for a land or a house. So on your registration, you can subscribe for a land. We have so many estates even in the east for PBOs. We have Flourish City in Lagos. We have subscribed for that one as a PBO, even in Enugu. Even here in Lagos, on your registration, you can subscribe with what? 15,000 naira. You start paying toward that land, dropping little.
For 2 years.
for 2.5 years. Are you getting it? But on your registration, you subscribe for that land. You can subscribe to pay towards your home ownership. Maybe you have apartments going for 15 million. It's possible you own that apartment through this program by dropping only 15,000 every month. You can pay 15,000 and subscribe. If you registered already, pay 15,000 and subscribe. See your PBO form. So you earn point values, just like I said. I said I can't be a PBO and pay for a house with my money. It is not possible. I will pay with these point values I will get from people I will introduce. The currency of this program is point values. The currency of this PBO program is point values. So you can earn point values. Point value is currency of the P1 Business Owner program. Every point value accrued is translated to cash. 50% of that money is paid, pay attention. 50% of that money is paid into your home ownership account and 50% is paid into your bank account. This program pays commission every Friday. Friday is always Alert Friday for all PBOs. And company is saying all the point value that you accrued can be translated into cash, and 50% of what you have, activities that happen under you, all the point values that you 50% will be added to your home ownership account. The company will drop half of the money for your home ownership that you're paying for. Then they will credit your account with 50% of it. Are you getting it? They will earn half of it every Friday. And you choose the location of your house or land. We've said it. You can subscribe for home ownership for your children. I've subscribed for all my children. If you have children, please subscribe for them. You're not buying the house with your money. You can buy the house with point values you will get from people that you introduce in the business. You choose to pay monthly, by monthly or quarterly. So it's not even a month that you pay every month. That 15,000. Any month you don't have that 15,000. If you have coming month, subsequent month you pay. If you have more than 15, you pay. But company pays, you can drop not less than 15,000 naira every month towards your home ownership. The only penalty any month that you will not pay is that you miss your monthly performance bonus that month. Monthly performance bonus, and what monthly performance bonus is from company's profit again. Are you getting it? But any month that you pay, you earn that month. That is performance bonus. But you earn all your points values, you earn all your commission that month. Can you use Bilo and put down your questions? After the presentation, I will take your questions. So, you can pay by monthly or quarterly. You can win brand new cars through the program. You can qualify for all expense paid trip abroad through the PBO program. We have 12 ways of making money through this program. 12 ways of you can earn income as a P1 business owner. The first one is what? Direct recruitment bonus. Direct recruitment bonus. Each person that you introduce in this business as a classic PBO, 52,650, you are going to earn referral bonus of 7,200 naira. Are you getting it? That is your direct referral bonus. Then if you introduce someone, you earn indirect referral bonus of 5,760 each time the person introduces somebody. I register her, I will earn 70. If she register you, she earns 70, I will earn 5,760. That is indirect referral bonus. If you introduce him, if you register him, you earn 70, she earn 5,760, I will earn 2,880 from the registration, from the recruitment. Then we have indirect recruitment bonus in 2 levels, I've said it. And now we have promo on this. The promo starts again this morning. Any classic PBO you introduce, that is 52,650, you earn 14.4 instead of 7.2, double referral on that person. Last month it was when if you do 5, then you earn double referral. And instead of 36,000, 17 to 5, you will earn 72,000. Double. Are you getting it? But this today, the promo says even if it's only one that you did, you earn 14,400. You earn it double. You earn it double. Are you getting it? So it is a wonderful promo because we have people last month that did like 2, 3.
Yes.
But because it's not up to 5, they did not earn the double referral. They earn 772. But this September, the company says even if it's only one that you did throughout this November, from 1st to 30th September, you are going to earn 14,400 on one person. You're not happy, you're not even depressed. Wow. Yes, because I know some people that they were struggling, some people have like 4 last month. Somebody like her, to get one person to complete it 5 to earn double referral. Are you getting it? But company says this month, even if it's only one, you are going to earn it double. So, and you cannot limit yourself to one. Throughout the program, I've been winning the double referral 5. I do, like last month I did 7. So why not, focus on that recruitment. Like this one now is even if it's one, why 1? I will do 10. Or more than. It's what, and each one you earn 14,400 on it. It's money. So don't limit yourself to that one. But it's just that it's just advantage to people that struggle to make, because everybody wants to qualify it. When it was do 5 and earn it, everybody wants, your dream is to do that 5. But you will see people that will struggle, people keep on promising you. Even that 7 I did, I wanted to make it 10. But all the people that promised me that 1st of August, don't say please next week. And the promo ended that fair. I have to put that please. I don't want to, give myself that stress. So people like that, company want to, appreciate them and say even if you cannot do that, even if it's one, you still end the double referral with. So please focus on recruitment this month. Make serious money while you look for buyers to buy you. We have indirect sales commission. We have direct sales commission. That is on selling of the land. Anytime you sell land for the company, you have your direct commission of between 5% to 15%. You ask me why 50? Why is it that way? It depends on how you join the business, the money you use to register. When you register as associate PBO with 1,650, if you sell land, your commission will be 10%. But if you register as a classic PBO with 52,650, you earn 15% on your direct sales. So that is another way of making money. Then you have indirect sales commission in 3 levels. What it means that when I introduce her in this business, if I sell, I get 15%. If she sell, she gets 15, I'll get 5% of her sales. Are you getting it? 5% of her sales because I introduce her in the business. That is the indirect commissions. I've seen people that join this business, they did not sell. The people they introduce sold and they earn their money. Are you getting it? So that is why it is very, very important for you to register and register people. Last 2 weeks, someone I registered in the business on the 30th of June as a classic PBO. She registered somebody last 2 weeks and the lady sold 8 plus of Oasis, 16 million. And that person I introduced earned 800,000 from that sales. And she just joined. The woman called me and said, is this business way like this? She was so happy and she said that the husband is laughing at her the way she was jumping up and down. Money that comes from nowhere. You just register the business and register somebody. The person sold the land and he earned 800,000, 5% of 16 million. If you see her, she was the one calling me this morning. She had dropped a registration for me to do for her. She had registered like 4 people. Because she have seen that while looking for, you may not know someone to sell land, but the person you registered will have connections. Just the 5% I'm enjoying to the sales of this my wonderful success line. I wish I have 10 people like that. So you don't know who you will register in this business that will take you to will change your life. What you will do is just to be praying for the person, to be praying for her. because the person is doing something that is changing your life. And that is the commission I enjoy a lot. That commission I earn from the people I introduce. I don't know how they close the deal. Somebody like her, even if it took us to place my to close that deal, I don't know. All I know, she'll just call me, someone just paid. Do you understand? And I'll get my commission. That one is the sweetest. She herself like earning 15%. She's happy because she really worked for it. That's her own effort. But it wasn't my own effort, but I'm earning through the effort of someone I introduce in the business. Focus on recruitment. You are going to enjoy this business. It may not come immediately, but later. But when I was building my team, it wasn't the way it is today. When I was recruiting people, there wasn't selling. But today, all the sales coming through this business, most of my team members are the ones selling a lot of land. It wasn't that way last year, sir. I was receiving indirect commission, not little, but today, consistently every day. When you're starting, you are at the building stage, you may not see the results yet, but continue. Continue, it's just question of time, little time. You start enjoying it. Madam Yusuf, you are looking at me. Wonderful woman. She has been traveling and traveling. I was in London with her. Look at her, see her age. Because some people, look at her. Look at her. Madam Yusuf sells land. She sells. And she has been traveling all the trip. Even like she was in London with me in 2018. We are together to Dubai. So look at that.
Clap for her. Clap for her.
I'm glad to see her here and other people too. Because when I'm talking myself, you think I'm the only one. Thank God that you saw the pictures. Over 100 people in Ghana. You see the pictures in Dubai. You see the pictures in London. Even the pictures in London, the picture did not cover everyone because we have like 30-something people that made it to that London. So we have the next. You have seen your indirect commissions of 3%, 5% in 3 levels, 5%, 3%, and 2%. What it means, the person you introduce direct, you earn 5%. The person they introduce, you earn 3% from their sales. The people you earn 3% from, when they introduce people, you earn 2% from the sales of that people. It earns that. That is the 3 levels. That is the indirect commission I'm talking about. 5%, 3%, 2%. And you know that the land we are selling is in millions. Even 1% is big money. Big money. So then the next one is what we call center recruitment bonus. On the recruitment, if you are manager in the team building, I'm going to show you the level you can reach for you to have your center. If you are a manager in the team building and you know that you can be able to take care of a center, you can apply for your center. Then if you have a place, you can be training people. So all the recruitment that you're doing with your center, you earn a center bonus on the recruitment. Company pays quarterly. In a quarter, like January, February, March, if you do 30 PBOs, are you getting it? Like classic PBO, 52,650, 1,650, right? So you are earning from that referral bonus 54,000 per 30 people that you give in your center. So that is your center bonus on recruitment. Then you have center bonus on sales. All the sales, people that you register without your center name, all the sales coming there, you have center bonus on all the sales coming through that, which you can use to take care of your center. In a quarter, I do recruitment of over 140, more than, like, what I have now is 9, 30 into 9, 30 times 9, that is 54,000 times 9, quarterly. Are you getting me? So, depending on your capability, how you recruit. So that is a way of making money through this business. Once you can take care of your center, you can start. I advise people to start. The people in Enugu now, P1 Enugu exhausted, they are from my team. And I encourage them to start. The first days that I started, I sent money for them for some expenses they were doing. Now they are growing. This Saturday I'll be with them, I'll do presentation for them at our office in Independence. So if you have people, invite them to that seminar. This Saturday, 5th of September, I'll be in Enugu to anchor a seminar for them. I advise people to start. Don't think you can't do it. Once you are a manager, please start. start. It's not easy, it's not difficult. You can, because what it means that when I have people I have in my center now, they're not my friends, they're not people I know, but today that we are like one family. What it means that I register children will bring our own network. Are you getting it? If you are starting with like 30 people, because company says once you have 30 people in your team, you can start a center. So that 30, just start it, get a place, send out invitation to the 30 of them, tell them to invite their people. When you come to the seminar, you see them coming. When I started, at times 13 people, attendance 14 people. Now I'm looking for a bigger place. Where I was using now cannot accommodate my people. Each seminar I do, I have more than 60 people in attendance. But when I started, we are just small. So why am I saying this? I'm telling you to start. Once you're a manager, you can handle a center, please start. With all these center bonus and everything, you can use it and take care of all the expenses concerning the center. That's why the company is giving us some percentage of sales and some percentage of equipment. So the next one is a PBO monthly performance bonus. That is the performance bonus I said. If you not drop your 15,000 every month, you miss it. And the company pays it out quarterly. Every month they'll pay it, but they'll pay it out quarterly. After 3 months, they will credit your account for your performance bonus. Then we have another performance bonus on sales. That's the one performance bonus I showed the pictures before. Because that's what the company have been doing annually. Performance bonus, they pay it every 12th of every March. Their profit for the year, they will share some fraction to people that qualify to earn it. And through the PBO program, they pay it monthly through this program. They will still pay performance bonus every month through your performance in the month. So if you not pay every month, you may miss that performance bonus, but you earn all your point values, you earn all your commission. That is it. And the next one is PBO point value bonus. Each 100 point value that you are put under you get a bonus of 1 point. And our 1 point is 12 naira. So you have, company will dash you 12 naira, 1 point, if you have 100 points. And that 100 points, someone that starts with like elite PBO, I'm going to show you on the slide. If you register and subscribe for a land or a house with 150,000 naira, you will have 100 point value. So on that registration, the company will dash you 1 point value as bonus points. That's the bonus point value. Then the PBO elite VIP bonus points. As elite, I said, when you subscribe with 150, then you get 1 bonus point. As a VIP, you subscribe with 1.5 million. A VIP may not pay any month, but the VIP will earn the performance bonus as a VIP. Are you getting it? I started as a VIP, so I may not pay this month, I will still earn my performance bonus. Are you getting it? So we are going to see how you join. As a VIP, once you register with, you subscribe with 1.5 million, you are going to get 10 bonus points. Because I said each 100 you have 1 bonus. So when you divide 1.5 and 100 points point value is from 150,000 naira subscription. So divide 1.5 million by 150, it will give you 10. So when you register, when you subscribe as a VIP, you are going to get 10 bonus points. And 1 point is 12 naira. We have manager and leadership bonus and director's bonus. Let's take it. This is our business plan. I said these 5 pillars you are using. Some people call it 5 legs. Are you getting this? Some companies call it 5 legs. She's my leg. This one is on my leg. But we use pillars. So it's 5 pillars that you will use. And this is you up. You register, then you have to bring 5 people. This is the level that you will reach in this diagram. If you do your 5, and the 5 of them do their 5-5-5, you are a senior manager. And you at this level, you can start a center. You have 30 people in your team. Are you seeing it? This is the level you reach. You can own a center. You can start your center anywhere. You can start it anywhere. When you register 5 people, 5 of them will do their 5-5-5. 5 classic PBO, that is 52,650. When you do associate PBO, it will not count for you. That is 1,650 unless the person upgrades. The person upgrades, it will count for you. So how to make money using the point value system? The point value I was talking about. So every time you recruit a PBO, you earn point value. On the recruitment, the person you registered will earn the points. Then the points will roll up to you up to 8 levels. What it means that if I register her, she gets 35 point value as a classic PBO. I will earn that 35 point value. Or your plan will get the 35. The people up to 8 levels up will earn that 35 points. You accumulate it up to 8 levels. Then with your own personal point, it will be 9 levels. You accumulate the points. So every time a PBO recruited by you subscribe for a home, you earn point value. You still earn point value. Subsequent months, if they drop that money every month, you are earning points through that. You that drop that money, you earn the points. Each time you pay 15,000, you get 10 point value. Some people are paying more than that. Something says at least, not less than 15,000 every month. You are dropping it towards your home ownership. So the people you introduce, each month they pay toward that home ownership. You get their points. It is those points you use to pay for your own home. So what will make it possible for you to earn a home through these point values is depends on the number of people you introduce, the team that you build. Are you getting it? When you have large team, the points will just roll up. You may think that 5 point value is too small, but when you have so many people dropping that 35 for you, and you accumulate it up to that 9 levels, you'll be surprised and shocked the total point values you have in a month under you. And when you multiply by 12 naira per point, you will see the money. So you use that money to buy a home. So every time a PBO recruited by you does his or her monthly deposit, you earn point values. So assuming you recruit 5 PBOs who also do the same, this is what will happen in your business in 8 months. I said 8 months. That you recruit 5, and those 5, they do the same. They do their 5-5. That's why I said you can tell your team members to target their own 5. If everybody should work on getting 5-5, and 8 months.
Getting 5.
And yes, and 8 months, you earn over 200 million. You will see it in calculations. So this is what we are using classic PBO as a sample, which will give you that 5 point values on recruitment. There is someone that registered and subscribed with 15,000 naira. You register with 1,650. You pay admin fee of 36,000, making it at 7,650. Then you now subscribe for a number of home with 15,000 naira. It will give you that 5 point values. Are you getting it? That 5 point value. So this is what we use. And I said that 1 point value is 12 naira. So when you multiply that 5 point value by 12 naira, it will give you 420 naira. It is little, but by the time you accumulate it, it will be in millions. Are you getting it? So this is the example we are using. Starting level as a classic PBO. This is what you have. See illustration what will happen in your business in the next 8 years. 8 months. Sorry, in the next 8 months. That is when you register 5 and ask them to do their 5. Every month, people joining, they will do their 5. Every month, people that join the business will do their 5 that month. Consistently. If you do it, see what will happen. At 8 months, look at the money. Are you seeing it? It's not the magic.
Can we work it out, please?
I can work it out, but I'm just look at the total. See it first. What you earn at 8 months. That with only people signing up with 15,000. We did not add subsequent month subscription of 15,000 every month. That will give you 10 points. Are you getting it? It is only on registration of a classic PBO. And you know that there are people that will still join within the month that will subscribe as early PBOs. that will pay 150,000 and give you 100 point values. I get it. But we limited it to as everybody joining
Minimum.
that are joining with classic PB as classic PB with 52,650 only. The referral bonus is not added here. The commissions on selling of the land is not increasing. It is only on that point values. Only 35 point values on that recruitment as a classic PB. This is what will happen. The first one you are seeing 2,100 naira. Use your calculator so that you know that it is calculation that we did. We did not just expand it like that. The first level is that I said when you register your 5. That 5 classic PBO you just did, each will give you that 5 point value.
Yes.
So that 5 multiplied by 5 of them. Are you with your calculator? What will you get?
175.
Yes, that's the 175 point value. And that 5 people you just introduced multiplied by 12 naira. 1 point value is 12 naira.
2,100.
That is your earning on point values. Remember, you earned 7,2 on each as your referral bonus. You earned 36,000 on 5 of them as a referral bonus. Are you getting it? So that your referral bonus, you can add it. I said we are not adding it to the earning. It is only on the point values from the illustration. So at the second month, 5 people you registered, you ask them to do their 555 that month. So what you have is 555. When 5 of them do their 555, what you have that month is 25 people.
You mean 5 each?
5 each.
Okay.
Yes, I said 5 each. Are you getting it? So at that second month, if 5 of them do their 555, you have 25 people that join that month. And each of the 25 will give you that 5 point value. So that 5 point value multiplied by 25 of them, what will you get? 25 times 35 point value. Each of them will give you. On the second month.
875.
875. Okay, multiply by 12 naira. 1 point value.
10,500.
That is your earning on the second month. Just like that. The third month, let 25 of them that joined do their 555. It's simple.
Do their 5.
If they do their 555, 5 times that 25 people that joined, how many people will join that month? Multiply with your calculator, because when you are looking at it, you think that we just fold the figures. So if they do it consistently every month, anybody that joins that month will bring 5. If they consistently do, and do you know what will happen? You know that some people will miss it. Some people may not get the 5 that month. Even if 10% of all the people that join do that 555, you will still earn half of this money or more. It's still in millions. Because I know that even if there is people you can't push. Yeah, that imagine you cannot do that. All of them will do that 5. Imagine the promo that we did last month. How many people qualified? 5 people qualified in my team for double referral. That is getting 5 classic people in a month. To tell you that, but we said from the calculation that if they consistently do it, this is what they will end. But everybody will not do it. It is not possible that all of them will do it. But if 10% of the people that join did their 555, you see earn millions through the point values in the next 8 months. Are you getting it? Imagine when you now calculate other people that are joining with 150,000, giving you 100 point values. Someone that will join in that team as a VIP and give you 1,000 point value. The 1,000 point value will just roll up for everybody in that tree. Imagine what you earn.
Plus sales bonus.
Eh?
Plus sales bonus.
Sales bonus is out of it. We are talking about point values. I said what we are doing is outside, the calculations is outside your referral bonus earning. I've said it that with point value at the first month, you earn 2,100 naira, but you earn that 6,000 through the referral bonus. If you add it, that's your earning at the first month. 36 plus 2,100.
That's 38.
Are you getting it? So it's out, and it may be in that first month, the person you introduce will sell land, or you can sell that month. You earn 15%. So this is just addition to the earning outside sales commission, referral bonus, and other incentives. If it's someone that maybe you have a center to add other bonuses to it, you see that you're making money. Everything about this business is profit earning everything. Any little thing you do in this business, you earn. I'm not talking about incentives. Incentive, people are smiling home after paying your commission, household equipment through that sales.
Fridges,
Freezer, generator.
television.
What have I not collected through this business? Through sales. What is that? Is it through a layer festival rap? the time I won ram, I was like, where am I taking this to? Which pickup will come and carry the ram to my house? Do you understand? But that is the promo, and people layer festival and other things. There is no festive period, even Christmas. We do Christmas promo. Last 2 years, December, I won 10 bags of cap rice, 25 gallons of vegetable oil, cartons of turkey. My husband was like, what is happening? A carton of turkey, chicken, everything I took to village for Christmas, I got them through this business. Free. 10 bags of cap rice. And the gentleman was calling me, Tonya, where are you taking the rice to? I said, Mommy, my house. I won it. Through sales, after paying your commission, you still have so many incentives. Household, even on recruitment, you have a lot of recruitment promo, phone. All the phone, television, smart television. Last year it was do 5, you get a smart television. Do another 5, you get a fridge. Do another 5, you get a gas cooker. Do another one, you get a set of dishes and all within September to December. And I worked up. I did it. I carried smart television, I carried the cooker, I carried the fridge on recruitment alone. And the company still pay referral bonus. I used to ask, how is this company making profit through this business? Have you asked that question?
I asked this last night.
Yeah, you asked last night. You need to ask, because I do ask. And they're still waxing stronger, you know. And we that are doing the business, we are so happy with the company. We are so happy with the company. There are people you see, you are selling for that company, you are marketing for that company. Your shoe will the heel, if you see your shoe, because you're walking from one market to another. But this is a business I do even on my bed. I close this while on my bed. At your comfort zone, use your phone. I've been on the bed, I woke up, I prayed. After praying, I just posted my flyers on the WhatsApp status. And one woman just threw me the flyer I just uploaded. She now threw it back to me. She know, are you serious? Are you sure of what you're saying? There was a promo, buy 5 and get 1 plus free. The woman said, are you telling me if I pay for the 5 plus, you'll dash me in free? I said, Mommy, yes. How sure are you? I said, if they do not give you, come and use police and arrest me. Because I know that my company will deliver. They can't promise and fail. Before you know, the woman said, can I have the subscription form? I jumped out of my bed. I never shower, I never brushed my mouth. To tell you how easy the P1 business is. It is a business you can do at your comfort zone. I used to tell people, you need to come out of your comfort zone to make it. But you can be in your comfort zone and still make money with this business. There are business, because people used to say, it's only today. I come here to do presentation. You will not see me around this place till Tuesday next week, unless I have a client for inspection. At times, most of them don't go for inspection. You give them video. They will see the video. If they trust you, they will pay. The one you sold yesterday, the person go for inspection. 3.6 million, 2 plus Amansi. Do you understand? People are buying that way. And we have everything on our phone. All the things that you need to work effectively, company gives free. All the flyers, soft copies is on our WhatsApp status. Once you register, we'll forward everything to you. Start to market to them. All the essay, we have live videos on them. All the MDs are in the platform to advertise your products. What do you need to do? Take them, send them to your people, to your contacts. While on your bed, you discuss business with them. Do advert on Facebook. I engage myself with advert on Facebook. When I woke up in the morning after praying, I just dropped a capture of one advert. I go through my messenger, come and see people private chatting me. I will explain the business throughout the day. So by the time I explain the business, I'll get a few people to join. Some people will tell me I don't have money yet. Do you understand? Or if I have money, I'm interested, I'll get back to you. But at least for that day, if you know, you've gotten so many contacts through your adverts. So it is a business you can do at your own comfort zone and still make money. So that's how I closed that 5 plus that day. The woman paid that he said, okay, can you, it was on a Friday. He said, I want to go to the bank so that I'll make payment before the bank will close. It was on a Friday. And when she said, okay, I'm going to the bank, can you bring the form tomorrow? I said, okay, no, I'm coming to your house now. It's someone I don't even know her house. Can you drop a house address and call me? I jumped out of the bed. I went to the business center to print the form, subscription form. I took it to her house and she filled and she paid. Buy 5 and get 1 free. So it is a business you can do. What you need to do is just please advertise your products. Do WhatsApp status, post on Instagram, post on the Facebook. People will private chat you, but when you are doing online, be careful. People will give you some attractive offer, but they're not real. If they invite you to come out, say, come there, please don't go alone. Invite them to the company, to the office. Nobody should book you appointment elsewhere. A stranger, please. You understand what I'm saying? Tell that person, can we meet at our head office in Aja, or can we meet in our office in Lekki? Come to the company and let the person, stranger, come and meet you there. Please, just be careful with them, because I have someone, a darling that called me that someone needed 1,000 acres of land or something like that. I was like, I calculated it out. I was like, I said, who is that person? You understand? I said, please be careful with those persons, because I'm not seeing this now as something that is going on. As a young lady, I said, please don't go into this. I told her to complain, and it is true. When we saw the chat, from the chat, even the title, the land title they gave her that they need, that thing wasn't a title of a land. And I was there to tell the lady that this is not a title of a land. Either a land have a C of O, or a bit of assignment, survey, decision, and all of that. What did they mention? They don't even know the title of a land. So that is where I was like, I told the girl, please be careful. So you are going to see a lot of things, but just be careful, don't be carried away because you want to, close deals. If a genuine one comes, if God really want to bless you, you will see it, it will just work smoothly for you to close that deal. So this is like if you do your calculation, you will see the initially at the building stage, the amount is too small. 2,100 is little money now. Even the mega chicken we entered, I know how much we spent on the food that we bought. It's little, but as time goes on, you see how it's increasing every month. The earning, is increasing from 10,500 to 52,500 to 262, up to the 8th level, 200 and something million. Are you seeing it? So what you need is just recruitment. With this money, can't you buy duplex? I said we have duplex of 60 million, as high as a house, with 205 million. Are you not seeing it? It's not a million I've seen.
It is now.
I looked at it again as if it's 200,000. So I checked again, it was million. So what I'm saying that with this money you can buy houses, not even a house. With this, you can use it to do even other expense paid through a vacation for the family and so many other things you do with the money. So this is, we have the 9 levels in the team building. The first one we are seeing there is P1 business owner. That is once you register and subscribe. I said, who is a PBO? A PBO is someone that registered and they subscribe for a land or a house on the registration. That makes you a PBO. So the first one, once you register and subscribe for a land or a house towards your home ownership, you are a PBO. That's the first level. The next level is what we call assistant manager. And what makes you an assistant manager? You register 5 classic PBOs under you. You register 5 people that register and subscribe for a land, either as a classic person or a VIP or an LD PBO. Let me take it from the picture slide. This is the first level, a PBO. This is you. For the first time you register to subscribe. This level you are a P1 business owner. The second level you recruit 5 PBOs. You'll be recognized as assistant manager. That is the second level. Then the third level is a manager. This is the level you attend. You can start a center. So when you register, when you develop 5 assistant managers, I said the first level you register 5 PBOs. Then you become assistant manager, right? The second level. Yeah. So at this third level, you are expected to, to have 5 assistant managers under you. that the 5 of them have done their 5-5-5, you become a manager. You'll be recognized as a team manager, or when you have 30 PBOs in your team, you can do it direct. If you do 30 direct, you become a manager. Because at times you may not wait for them. If your capability, just somebody like me, I became a manager by doing 30 direct. That's I did 30. Because if I wait for my people to do their 5-5-5, I will talk, I will be where I am. So continue to do what you recruit. You cannot do 5 and stop. Are you getting it? You don't have a limited number of people to recruit direct under you. All the people that are coming will be spillover under the 5 people you introduce. But you are the direct sponsor on them. You are the person that will earn indirect referral bonus on them. You are the person that will earn indirect commissions on sales, because the person is directly under you. The only thing that your downline owns that person as an upline. Anybody that have that person as a spillover, the point value will count for that person. What it means that I have 5 people I registered, and if maybe before I do my 6th one, he doesn't have anybody yet, my 6th person will be under him. If it's a classic BBO, he will end that as 5-point value from that person. Then I will end it. But I will still be the person that will earn 70 on that person, not him. But the person is directly, I'm the sponsor. But you earn the point values from that person. So you can use the point values to help people who register in the business by that spillover. And you can do spillover manually. You decide who you want to place the person for. You can do that manually. Maybe, I don't understand, maybe you have someone, or maybe before I do my 6th, you already have 5 PBOs. I can't give him spillover again. I can command the system to put under Chinaza. The system will put that person there. But if you leave the system to do it automatically, the system decides who they will give, and they will do it first come, first serve. If he is the first person I introduce, after him I introduce her, automatically the system will place my 6th person to her, not Chinaza. Are you getting? Because after the my registered, so you do it one, that is first come, first serve automatically. But I can on registration decide. I will tell the system to put Chinel under Chinaza. It should be under him. So you decide manually. Or if you leave system to do it, automatically the system will do the spillover. So at this level you are a senior manager, you can start your center. At the level of Sapphire manager, you have to develop 5 managers under you. That's the level I'm pursuing now. Because I'm already a manager in the team building. And the program was launched May 1st. So it is achievable. It is achievable. So what I'm targeting is this level now as a Sapphire manager. What it means is that I need to bring 5 people I introduce directly under me to come to my level for me to move to the next level ahead of me. The reason why I should work with people I introduce, the reason why I should make sure that they attend that senior manager. Are you getting it? So it is a teamwork. It is not a business you grow alone. So I must celebrate 5 managers in my team. Direct. It is not indirect. They must be directly under me. Are you getting me? So once I have 5 senior managers directly under me, I am a Sapphire manager. They got 5 managers here to become a senior manager. This is the rank I'm pursuing, please. It's here. I am a manager. So the next level ahead of me is senior manager. So I must have 5 managers under me to become a senior manager. So and this is the level. This is the level. It's not total of 1 manager. Total of, because you must produce directly. So what it means is that each director under you will have 30 teams.
Yeah, that's fine.
30.
It's not necessary. Just
So that's what I'm saying. You just produce them, but they must be directly under you. And here, this is where we have promo for marketing cars now.
you give me a
It's a new program. If you are here for the first time, you can achieve this within the next 2 months. In the next 2 months, you can get. If you are too smart and too distant, it is even achievable in the business. It is possible, yes. Who said no? It is achievable. So what I'm saying, this is where we have marketing class now. 12. The company said the first 12 people that will attend this level, the company will give them marketing class. 12 people. So we are hopefully, before the year runs out, we produce senior managers that will carry the marketing class. So it is, what does it take? It is easy. If you register 5, let your 5 do their 5. Let them target 5. Before you know it, everybody is there. Because each pillar demands for, it's just that 5. Once you finish at 5, look at the 4. And no, some will have 2, some will have 3. Some will just call them, what is delaying you? More 3 to go. When you ginger them, you see them. And that's how I used to be. What are you waiting for? 3 to go or 2 to go? I can't wait to celebrate you. You see them working so hard. Who doesn't like celebration? To be celebrated. Everybody wants to call on a stage for for recognition. So you see them pursue that, they work hard to get the remaining 2 to balance it for you. And once they are there, you are ready for your next rank. So don't bring people into this business and dump them. If they are not happy in the business, honestly, how much is sniper? They will invite you and give you sniper one day. God forbid. But that is it. It is not only you being happy in the business when you introduce so many people, and only you. When I started my center, that's the first thing that drive me to start a center, to train my team members. It is always Tony Obodo, any success. I wasn't that happy that every day, any promo, I'll be the only one to qualify out of my team members. They will clap for me, they will dance with me. I'll enter stage, I'll carry one thing and run. I looked into it, I said, no, this doesn't work. It will be a beautiful thing that at Success Summit, my power team, the recognition, if not everybody. Now what is happening? The double referral bonus last month, out of either 6 people, 4 people are from my team.
Wow.
This August, 5 people from my team. And you see the next, so when they complete them, I'll be so happy at least that my people are happy. Even if they're selling now, if it is only you, it can't be only you. It can't be only, let everybody smile in the business. There are people that will find it very difficult, but still, look into them and know where they are finding it very difficult. How do I help you? Honestly, most of them don't have video, they don't have flyer, and they're in the platform. Some are not taking the business serious. They keep on calling every day to demand for flyer. Even what they posted that morning in the group, they call me to demand for it. I will say something they just post, and it is in that group I'll go and take it to send to you. Why not follow the group chats and get the information that you need? I'll still go to the group that you're in the platform and take that thing you are demanding from me, and you're there. Please send me a flyer of a it's on the group, and you see every morning all the MDs are advertising their estates with the video and with the flyers every morning. Every morning. So most of them are not in the business. So still call them. Some are discouraged. Still call them to push them. A lot of them are discouraged. Because when you market something, market it, and the people you meet are discouraging you from doing it. If you do not get to them, they will just fall off out of the business. So there is need that you call the people you introduce, monitor them, follow them up, and make sure that they smile in the business. It can't be only you. And that's why I love the business plan. For you to move to the next rank ahead of you, you must bring 5 people you introduce directly at the level you are for you to move to the next rank. I'll take your questions, no? Just put them down. So you must bring them to your own level for you to move to the next rank, which means in every rank that you attend, you've celebrated 5 people in the same level you are just moving out to. So that's why it is a teamwork. So the next level is level 5, which is Sapphire Manager. Develop 5 senior managers. As a senior manager, develop 5 senior managers. You must complete 5 before the company will celebrate you as Sapphire Manager. Are you getting it? You must produce 5. You must bring 5 people to your level for you to move to the next rank. So level 6 is Emerald Manager. Develop 5 Sapphire Managers. with the 1,000 point values on each pillar. This is one pillar, two, the second pillar, third pillar, fourth pillar, fifth pillar. So you're having 10,000 point values on each pillar, making it 500,000 point value. See your benefits. See your benefit as a Sapphire manager. You have 1.2 million cash, all expense paid trip for 2, and a marketing card value 1.5 million. You have each stage that you have from the Sapphire manager. You have stage bonuses, all the benefits you get when you attend it, and the Emerald manager, your benefit here is 1.5 million naira cash, rent subsidy worth 1.5 million, car fund of 6 million. When you attend this level, you are going to get all this. Then as a diamond manager, develop 5 emerald manager, 500,000 point values on each pillar, making it a total of 2.5 million point values. The point values, when you multiply it by 12 naira, you see it in naira or in cash. Then the benefit here is a house worth 30 million, a kitchen and household furniture worth 10 million. The house will be like a Big Brother Nigeria house. A brand new car worth 15 million. All expense paid vacation for family of 6. That is father, mother, and 4 children. If you have larger family size, you pay for the other, because if you are my parents, I must travel with you. So you pay for the other ones. If you have 8, you pay for 3. Company will pay for 6, right? So, but if you have 4 children with you and your parents, you are good to go. Everybody, company will sponsor. Just like my family size, I have 4 children, we are 6, so it is for us. So everybody will travel. So then level 8, diamond director, a BBO with at least 3 diamond managers will be recognized as a diamond director. Benefits here, privileges will be personally communicated. God said that the ears have not heard, that the eyes have not seen what God has prepared for us. That is exactly what will happen here. So they will invite you and tell you this, because if the world you hear it, just for your security anyway. So this is the last level. Now you are national director. You can see your medal as national director. So this is the level of the team building in the business, all the benefits on each level. So we can call it a. But let me explain this to you. How you get the point values. Pay attention here. Or how you register, how you join this business. You can register with 1,650 as associate PBO. Pay attention. You register with 1,650 as associate PBO. Then you annual admin fee of 36,000. You pay this annually. If you are joining today, you pay it, you renew it annually. By this time next year, you have to pay 36,000. That admin fee to renew it. Don't say I did not tell you this. So when you pay annual admin fee to a total of 37,650, this will give you 25 point values. Then when you subscribe for your home ownership or paying for any of the following, you have the 3 packages, how you join, how you subscribe. The first one is that classic BBO, which is 15,000 naira. So when you subscribe with 15,000 naira plus that 37,650, it will give you 52,650. So that is the registration of classic BBO. And that is what you see on all the flyers of BBO flyers. They will tell you register with 52,650 and have your home in the next 2.5 years, which is still today confuse some people. So what makes it possible? If you are dropping 15,000 every month for the maximum of 5 years, that is 16 months, it will give you 900,000 naira in the next 5 years. So what makes it possible that in the 2.5 years that you can have your home is through the power of that point values, through the points of the point value that you are getting from people you register in the business and the people your people are bringing, both your direct and indirect people. It is those point values that you accrue that make it possible for you to own an apartment of at least 15 million in the next 2.5 years. If you tell people that you're dropping 15,000 every month and in the next 5 years you own an apartment of 15 million, it is not possible. Because 15,000 every month in the next 5 years, 900,000 naira. You cannot even buy a land in Nigeria. But you can get the land in the outdoor side after la campaign. Are you getting it? So tell them that what makes it impossible is the power of recruitment and that point values that you accumulate up to 80 levels. It is the point value that you use to buy the land. So this is how you get the point values. And that classic PBO, 15,000 naira, each time you drop it will give you 10 point values. Plus your registration, 25 point value. On when you register with 1,000, since you pay admin fee, you get 25 point value. If you subscribe with 15,000, you get 35 point values. 10 plus 25. Then as early PBO, I've mentioned it before, but let's go through it again. An early PBO is someone that subscribed with 150,000 naira on the registration after paying the admin fee at 7,650. You subscribe for a land or a home with 150,000 naira, and that will give you 100 point values. And in the point value bonus, I said each 100 point value that you get 1 bonus point. So that is your bonus point as an elite, 1 bonus point. And our 1 point is 12 naira. So as a VIP person, after your admin fee and the registration of 1,650, that's 7,650, you can subscribe with 1.5 million to become a VIP. And at this level, you have 1,000 points values on 1.5 million when you subscribe. Then with your 25 point value on registration, then plus 10 bonus points. Each 100 points gives you 1 bonus point. So as a VIP, 150, when you do 150, if you divide 1.5 million by 150, you get 10. So you have bonus point of 10 point values as a VIP. So that will give you the total points on your subscription when you are subscribing. So, and 1 VIP point or any amount in between, that is as you are going, 10 bonus point. And you can then continue to pay in any installment of your choice, not less than 15,000 naira monthly. As a VIP, it's not must. You will not be paying 1.5 million every month. So don't be afraid to join as a VIP. Even as a VIP, you have benefit of not paying every month. You still earn your performance bonus every month as a VIP. So what companies say, even if you subscribe to 150, subsequent month you can drop at least 15,000 naira. It's not more that you every 150 every. We have people that are paying 150 every month. I have them in my team. People in Canada, America, they pay. Even yesterday, the people that pay and send me, I don't remind them because they know what they want. They pay and send me pence of payment house. They just my own copy because they send to PBO email. They still give me copy because according to them it is you I know. So they still give me their copy and keeping their receipt of payments. They understand, and the company is also keeping the records. So it's not a must that is what you subscribe with that you will be paying every month. Company says in a month you can drop at least 15,000, but it must be in the multiple of 15. And you get it is either you pay 15 or 30 or 45 or 60 because of the point values. Don't go and mix it up. Maybe you pay 25, you pay this more. It will be in the multiple of 15 when you're dropping. Either you pay 15 or 30 or 45, 45 plus 15, and you get to 60 or 75. I have someone in America that pays 75, she paid yesterday again. You can, in multiple of 15, so that the points will not be in fractions, so that we get accurate point values to that. So that is everything about the point value. And we say that you can accrue this point is to accumulate. You accumulate it up to 8 levels. What it means that if I register her, she register her, she register her, she register her, the last person that joined this business are the 8 levels. If that person comes with it as a VIP, 1,000 points value, she will get the 1,000, she will get the 1,000, she will get the 1,000, I will get the 1,000. I don't know who introduced the person, but because he's still in the level of up to 8 or 9, I will still get that 1,000 point value. So that's how we accumulate it. And you accumulate it on this level, on this pillar, you accumulate on this pillar, you accumulate on this pillar, up to 5 pillars. So you see how possible that you can log into your back office. Today, you see like 10,000 point values for you. Then you sleep and wake up tomorrow, you log in, you can see like 20,000 point value. It is possible. And when you see such increase, you know that people joined. People joined. It is your total, the increase in your point values that you know that new people are joining or that people are paying. So when everything is through Apapa, when you join, you open, you see everything, all the point values. Even before the company pay you, you see what the point values you are paid. You can multiply by 12 and know what you're expecting. Everything is transparent through the back office. So this is the account details for registration, and this is the end of this presentation. I can now take your questions. I know how many people will have questions, so that I can number you. So be able to go. I'll give number 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought you wanted. Have I answered your question? Okay, that is your number 6. 5. Okay. Mrs. Yusuf, you want to ask me a question? 6, 7. Okay. Let me start from number 1. Your question, sir. You can ask the questions.
Well done.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I appreciate you. My aim is to be a Sapphire Bank now.
Wow. That's great. If you go to pass, you get there.
And I'm already putting my leg.